Yeah, I noticed he said he's throwing out a number. And I'm saying,
See that, Sir Cliff? And
he's,
this is the man who people wanted to put in power.
mm-hmm,
They
yeah,
waste the country's resources.
yes.
This man is sick in his head, man. They're trying to gain political mileage out of this thing now, but it's backfiring.
Hmm. They're
So
not
they
being
still,
thoughtful because
yeah,
the opposition leader does not have the latitude to say that he's throwing out a number. No,
yeah.
no, that's wrong. That's irresponsible. You can't. Opposition leaders, yeah, must be thoughtful, constructive, yeah, and rigorous, yeah.
Exactly, but Mr. Hughes, when a journalist comes out with a question in a press briefing and said that the government response is incompetent at best, what is that telling you?
Oh, who said that?
That's what Dan Jackson Miller said.
The government's response was?
Incompetent. It's incompetence at best.
When did she say that?
She said that in the press briefing. Yes, last evening. Let them go back and play it.
Oh,
So when she
and she
comes out
gave a
and say that,
basis. She gave a basis for saying the government's response was incompetent.
because she says there are delays and people can't get there are lots of people in other areas than Black River and wider St. Elizabeth that are not yet reached and slowness of response. That's what listen back to the clip and
She said
you
that
will see.
less than a week after a Category 5 system.
That is what she said. So, she labeled them as incompetent.
Mm.
So when a journalist comes out and say that, you realize for yourself that they are making talking points to the opposition.